Hello everyone, my name is Juan Sukla. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Let's Rock. In today's video, we are going to discuss that why certain rotation axes like 5-fold, 7-fold or higher than 6-fold are not possible. So if you are new to the channel, please do not forget to subscribe so that you never miss an update. So let's start. To prove this, we have drawn a figure like this, which is a part of an ordered arrangement, and these A, B, C, D, E, F and G, these are motif units, and these motif units are separated by translation T and rotation angle alpha. Now since all these motif units are separated by translation T and the angle between them is alpha, so this is a part of an ordered arrangement. And also there is a possible axis of rotation at each motif unit. At each motif unit, it means that there is a possible axis of rotation at A, B, C, similarly D, E, F and G. Here you can see there is one axis of rotation which is perpendicular to the page, like something like this, which is perpendicular to the page, and this rotation axis produces point D, E, F and G at an angle alpha, and these are associated with B. So now all these things are written here, that A, B, C, D, E, F, G are motif units. These motif units are separated by translation T, and there is a possible axis of rotation at each motif units which is perpendicular to the page. For example, one axis of rotation is shown at motif B because of, now since these, I have told you that all these motif units are separated by translation T and there is a rotation angle alpha between them, so these are part of an ordered arrangement. Now if these are part of an ordered arrangement, then this AB should equals to BC. Now since there is a possible axis of rotation at each motif unit, now let us consider that there is a rotation axis at motif B. Then for translation there should be similar axis at A and C. Okay, now from figure, if you have drawn a figure in your page, if you have not drawn, please draw so that you can correlate what I am saying. Now from figure, points D, E, F and G are related to B by a rotation of alpha angle, I told you earlier. Like here, point D, E, F and G, these are related to B by a rotation angle alpha. Okay, if all these motifs are related to point B, then what will happen? BC is equals to BD is equals to BE is equals to BF is equals to BG. Okay, and all these are equals to T. Now since BC is equals to AB, so this will also equals to AB. These all will also equals to AB, which is equals to T. Now if you can see, AC and ED, these two are parallel lines. ED is parallel to AC. Now what will happen? This AB must be equal to ED or should be multiple of it. Now if ED is considered to be U and AB is considered to be T, then what will happen? The relation will be, since ED is parallel to AB, then what will happen? ED should be multiple of AB or should be equals to AB. Now if it is equals to AB, then M is equals to 1, and if it is multiple of AB, then M should be an integer, where M should be an integer. Okay, now if ED is equals to M means multiple, it is something integer, any integer, and AB, again AB is T, so U is equals to MT. Okay, now let us see. Similar thing is written here. From figure, ED is parallel to AC. Let ED is equals to U. Then ED must be equal to AB or multiple of it. That is, ED is equals to MAB. Now, we have considered ED as U and AB as T. So, this equation will become as U is equals to MT. Mark it as equation number 1, where M is an integer. This point should be noted. Okay. Now, since A, E, D, C, F and G, these are related through a rotation angle alpha from B, then what will happen? From right angle triangle B and D, cos alpha is equals to x upon t. Now, see, A, E, D, C, F and G, these are all related to B by rotation angle alpha. Now if we draw a perpendicular from point D to BC, this will form a right angle triangle BND, and this is an alpha angle alpha. Now, if we apply cos alpha in this, cos alpha will equals to base upon hypotenuse. Here base is BN and hypotenuse is BD. So cos alpha will equals to x upon t. Again, see. Now, since we have drawn a perpendicular in this x should be equals to half AD, and half AD means half u. So x equals to half u. Okay, so from right angle triangle BND, cos alpha is equals to x upon t, and also x equals to half ED as I told you, or x equals to half u. Now from equation second, this is marked as from equation second. Now put the value of x in equation second. What will happen? Cos alpha is equals to half x is u by t. Okay, so x is half u and t is as it is. So putting the value of x, we will get cos alpha is equals to u upon 2t. Now from here u will equals to 2t cos alpha. Now here you can say u is equals to mt, and here you are getting u is equals to 2t cos alpha. Now if you combine both these equations, what you will get? You will get mt is equals to 2t cos alpha. Now from here t to t cancel out, and cos alpha will equals to m by 2, where m is an integer. Now all the game depends upon this equation. Cos alpha is equals to m by 2. Now since we have find the value of cos alpha, which is m by 2, now there should be restriction on the solutions of m. That is, there should be restrictions on the values of m for which, for what? For rotation angle alpha. Now since we know that the value of cos alpha varies between, or you can say lies between -1 and +1, so we have to choose only a specified value of m. Now from above equation, it is clear that there should be definite values of m possible for the angle of rotation alpha. Now that is, there is restrictions on the solution which led to restrictions on the rotation angle. Now what I am saying, for example, if we consider m is equals to 1, okay, where 1 is an integer, so cos alpha will become 1 upon 2, and from here alpha will equals to 60 degree, and if alpha is equals to 60 degree, this is 6-fold rotation axis. There should be 6-fold rotation axis. Again, for m is equals to 0, cos alpha is equals to 0 and alpha is equals to 90 degree, this led to 4-fold rotation axis. For m is equals to -1, cos alpha is equals to -1 by 2 and alpha is equals to 120 degree, this led to formation of a 3-fold rotation axis. For m is equals to -2, cos alpha is equals to -1 and alpha is equals to 180 degree. This is rotation angle. Of now, rotation angle 180 degree is in 2-fold rotation axis. And for m is equals to 2, cos alpha is equals to 1, so alpha is equals to 0 or 360 degree, that is identity. Now, all these values of m, 1, 0, -1, -2 and 2, all these are integers, and these are the only possible values for any crystal, or you can say for any crystal, because other than these angles, what will happen? The value of cos alpha will be greater than minus or +1. Okay. Now, since value of cos alpha lies between -1 to +1, I told you, if we take values of m other than 1, 0, -1, 2, -2, it will produce value of cos alpha greater than +-1, which is meaningless. Why? Because value of cos alpha lies between -1 to +1. Okay, so which is mathematically wrong. And also, other rotation angle produce non-integral value of m. Only 60 degree, 90 degree, 120, 180 and 0 or 360 degree produces integral value of m. Why? Let us consider an example of 5-fold symmetry. For 5-fold symmetry to be possible, there should be a rotation angle of 360 by 5, that is 72 degree. Now, for angle 72 degree, cos alpha is 0.3090. And from equation third, we have already proven that cos alpha is equals to what? Cos alpha is equals to m by 2. Now, if the value of cos alpha is 0.3090, then what happened? Clearly, cos 72 degree is not equals to m by 2, where m is an integer. Okay, there is not any integer present which whose half gives us 0.3090. So clearly cos 72 degree is not equals to m by 2, where m is an integer. Therefore, five-fold axis of symmetry is not possible. Therefore, five-fold axis of symmetry is not possible in an ordered crystalline structure. Similarly, if we take a seven-fold axis of symmetry, there will also not any integer. Okay, like cos alpha will not be equals to m by 2. So therefore what is happening? Sevenfold and any other fold except 2, 3, 4 and 6, this symmetry is not possible in an ordered crystalline substances, though these symmetries can be possible in biological world. For example, if you consider any flower or any pentagonal symmetry, there is a leaf. If you consider any leaf or any five-fold symmetry can be possible where there is not ordered arrangement. But in crystalline substances, there is an ordered arrangement, there is symmetry elements, there is translation, there is rotation angle. So with all these things, five-fold symmetry or seven-fold symmetry or other than 6, 4, 2, 3, 4 and 6-fold symmetry, this is not possible. This is why? This is because of restrictions on rotation angle. That's all. If you have any doubt regarding this, please comment down below. And if you like the video, please do not forget to press the like button. Please share it to your friends, and all the best for your studies.